Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and this is Sam's Tiki Bar. And today, we're going to make a Negroni. You know what a Negroni is? It only has 3 ingredients. It has sweet vermouth in it. Sweet vermouth. Make sure you keep this in the refrigerator after you open it. That's all I have to say. If you don't, it turns out to be gross. Then, I have Campari. Campari is becoming one of my favorite liquors of all time. Then, besides bourbon. Then, I have gin. Okay, 3 equal parts. Put it in some ice, you shake it, then you pour it over some ice. So let's make one. I've got some ice in here right now. The first thing that I'm gonna add is my sweet vermouth. So I have 2 ounces of sweet vermouth. So I add, that's how I do things. 2 ounces of everything. So I put it in here. Boom. That. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 ounces of Campari. So let's put in some Campari. And after that, I'm going to put in some gin. I have this gin right here. It's delicious, and I need to get some more. But let's put some gin into this cocktail. There. So now what I do is I put the gin in, and I'm going to shake it. I can even go upside down. I'm getting better at this. One day I'm going to hit myself right in the face, and that's going to happen. So then, did it? Yay. Look at this. A crystal clear ice sphere. My sister, I have a twin sister named Stacy, and she got me for Christmas this. It's Berlinzo. It makes crystal clear ice cubes. It totally works. And I followed the instructions, and I can't believe I got it to work. But anyway, I got it to work. And then you're probably thinking, Sam, what did you give Stacy? That's my sister's name. What did you give her for Christmas? I'll tell you what I gave her. My love. She returned it. Anyway, after she returned it, I'm like, that's okay, because can't return that. You can't. She did that. So anyway, so you take that, have it on a strainer, and I'm going to pour it over this crystal clear ice cube. So the whole thing with Negroni is it's sweet and bitter at the same time. I personally love these things. I can only handle 2 of them though. And then, because I never tried 3, never even got to that point. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So anyway, so here we go. Let's see. This is what it looks like. The ice cube didn't melt down all the way, so it's up in the glass a little bit. But let's see what it tastes like. I love Negronis. I don't know what it is. I love them. These taste so good. I mean, if you drink alcohol, you're gonna like a Negroni. If you don't drink alcohol, then you might not like it. But I love them. I mean, so delicious. Campari, sweet vermouth, gin. That's it. Mix it up. Make it. So good. The movie that we're gonna watch today, Payback, with Mel Gibson. I really like that movie. And with that movie, I think like you need a gritty type of drink, and the Negroni fits perfect. So this is Tiki Bar Sam, wishing you a great weekend and a great day, and just have a wonderful day. Okay, this is Tiki Bar Sam saying goodbye. See ya.